Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam while launching a game. You got an error missing executables. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There is a very simple fix for it. First of all, you need to launch the Steam, and whatever the game is giving you the error of missing executables, right click on it and go to the properties. Now here, click on install files. In the first method, choose the option verify integrity of the game files. Wait for it, and once the integrity is verified, try to relaunch the game. Now if this failed to work out, in next step, right in the installed files, you will find the option browse. Click on it. Now click on the option common folder. Now this is the folder where all the Steam games are installed. So the game which is giving you the error is available in any other folder other than this common folder. You cut that game from that folder and paste right over here. After pasting, again you need to verify the integrity of game files. And once done, the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, click on this general tab and in launch options, you may find anything written right over here, something like executables. So whatever the value is present right in the launch options, select all of them and make it blank. Delete that. After deleting the launch options, close it. Now relaunch the game and this will completely fix out the issue of Steam missing executables. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.